friends, welcome to Honey Kitchen. Today I will be making eggless vanilla cake. So please join me in my kitchen. So to make vanilla cake we require 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 1.5 cup of maida and 100 ml of soda water. 3/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. To start with, we will first sieve all the dry ingredients together. So this is 1.5 cup of maida or refined flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda or soda bicarbonate, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we'll mix all these things together. We'll use a spoon and we'll just rotate it. In this way our flour will not go out and we will mix it properly. Once these dry ingredients are mixed properly, now we will keep it aside. We will take a big bowl and now we'll mix 60 gram of butter in this. I've made it a little soft because it is easier to mix butter along with sugar. Now we will mix 1.5 tablespoon of powdered sugar and Milkmaid. Now we will mix it properly. If we take powdered sugar, it is more convenient to mix it. It does not take much time. So that's why I always ask my viewers to use powdered sugar. It's very easy. Now we will take 100 ml of soda water. We have to take fresh soda water. We'll mix it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. And we are not mixing it right now because we don't want the soda to become flat. Now slowly we'll add the dry ingredients which we have sieved and kept it, and we'll fold it properly. We don't want to break these bubbles because they will help in rising the cake. Once it is done, we will add another part of it. And it's a very simple recipe. I hope you will like the recipe. We don't have to beat it rigorously. We have to use soft hands. We have to just fold and cut. So we'll add very less of soda water more. Because we have to make our batter little flowing. Our batter should fall like a ribbon, you can see, and this time our batter is correct. So if you think that your batter is hard, you can add little of soda water more. Now we will add this to our container which I have properly greased and dusted so that the cake does not stick to the bottom. So friends, you can see our batter is ready. Now we will bake it at 150 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes. We are baking it in convection mode for 30 minutes and we can extend it if we required at 150 degrees centigrade. After 30 minutes, we'll take out the cake and you can see how even and nicely it is cooked from all the sides. Once it get cool, we will take it out from the mold. So now our cake is ready, and now we will remove it from the tin. So for that we require it to tap it little, and it should not be very hot. And while you are tapping, you'll come to know it's leaving its corner. You can even use fork or knife. We have properly greased it, so it will not have any problem. Now we'll keep the plate on top like this, and we'll try and once you can just tap it little here, and slowly we'll take the tin out. And you can see how easily our cake is removed from the tin. Now you can see our cake is ready, and it's so soft. So friends, I hope you like my recipe. Thank you for watching my video.